Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out your English grammar book and open your page number 22. Today we are starting unit number 7 and our topic is adjectives. What are adjectives? An adjective is a word that describes an animal, thing, thought. Adjectives include words like to touch, taste or smell. Okay. And describing words are called adjectives. Adjectives can be colors or words that describe sizes, temperature, etc. and colors. Okay. Here we study adjectives. The word below tell us something about a person or a thing. Okay. A green hat. The color of hat is green. So green is adjective. A red pencil. A color of pencil is red, so red is adjective. A thin goat. So the size of goat is thin. Let us understand. Study the picture given. Circle the adjective. Here we circle the adjective. A small baby. Baby is small, so small is adjective. A rainy day. Rainy is adjective. A deep well. It describes the word. So deep is adjective. A colorful umbrella. So colorful is adjective. Look at page number 23. Adjectives make sentences more interesting. Read the following sentences. A black snake is hiding in the tall grass. So black is adjective. Okay, it describes the word. It describes the snake. Snake is black and it is hiding in the tall grass. So it describes the grass, tall grass. Which are the adjectives in these sentences? Some sentences may have more than one adjective. Write them in your notebook. Okay, it is your homework. Now come to the next page, page number 24. Read it now. Match the pairs. The two boxes below have nouns and adjectives. Here we have nouns and adjectives. Match the noun with its adjective. Write them in your notebook. One example has been done for you. Like pink, pink flower. Fat, fat girl. Dirty shoes. Satin ribbon. And long road. Now look at B part. Anu and her friend went to the village fair. There they saw a lot of things. Write the adjectives for the things they saw. You can choose words from the list below. Okay, here, look at here. So Anu and her friend went to a village fair and they saw a lot of things. Okay, write the adjective for the thing they saw. And they saw red, blue, funny, chocolate, a dash balloon, a red balloon. Okay, you write it here red, R-E-D, red. Okay, a dash clown, a blue clown, a dash ice cream, a chocolate ice cream, a dash toy train, a funny toy train. Okay, a funny toy train. Okay, now look at page number 25. It is your homework now. Do it very carefully with clean handwriting. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.